The Samsung Galaxy S series has consistently pushed the boundaries of smartphone technology, and anticipation for the hypothetical Galaxy S25 is already reaching fever pitch. While details are still largely speculative, based on current trends and plausible advancements, we can construct a comprehensive review of what we might expect from this flagship device. Design and build. Refining excellence. Samsung has consistently refined its design language, and the S25 is likely to continue this trend. We can anticipate a sleek, premium build, possibly incorporating even more sustainable materials. The contour-cut camera housing, introduced in previous generations, might evolve further or be replaced by a new, equally distinctive design. A slightly more squared-off design, similar to recent trends, could be implemented. Durability will undoubtedly remain a key focus. The S25 will likely boast the latest Gorilla Glass protection on both the front and back, along with an IP rating for dust and water resistance, possibly even improved upon previous iterations. The frame will likely be crafted from armor aluminum, or perhaps a new, even more robust material. Display. The next level of visual immersion. Samsung's displays are renowned for their vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. The S25 will likely feature a dynamic AMOLED display, potentially with an even higher peak brightness for improved outdoor visibility. We might see advancements in refresh rate technology, with a possible adaptive refresh rate ranging from 1 Hz to 144 Hz or even beyond, optimizing for both smooth scrolling and power efficiency. Resolution is likely to remain crisp, with a possible QHD+ resolution. Under-display camera technology, while still in its early stages, might be further refined and implemented in the S25, offering a truly uninterrupted display experience. Alternatively, a smaller, less intrusive punch hole cutout could be used. Performance. Unleashing unprecedented power. The S25 will undoubtedly be powered by the latest flagship processor, likely either the next-generation Snapdragon chip or Samsung's Exynos equivalent, depending on the region. This new chip will bring significant performance improvements in terms of CPU and GPU performance, as well as enhanced power efficiency. RAM and storage configurations are expected to be generous, with options for up to 16 GB of RAM and potentially up to 1 TB of internal storage. This will ensure smooth multitasking and ample space for photos, videos, and apps. The S25 will be a performance powerhouse, capable of handling demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and augmented reality experiences with ease. Camera. Redefining mobile photography. The camera system on the S25 is where we expect to see some of the most significant advancements. Samsung has consistently pushed the boundaries of mobile photography, and the S25 is likely to continue this trend. We can anticipate an improved main sensor, possibly with a higher resolution and larger pixel size for better low-light performance. The ultra-wide lens will likely see improvements as well, with better image quality and potentially a wider field of view. The telephoto lens could be upgraded with improved optical zoom capabilities, perhaps even incorporating a periscope lens for enhanced zoom range. Computational photography will play an even greater role, with AI-powered features enhancing image processing and scene optimization. We might see new AI-driven camera modes, such as improved night mode, enhanced portrait mode, and more sophisticated video recording capabilities. Battery life and charging. Powering through the day. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the S25 will likely feature a larger battery capacity than its predecessor, or at least improved power efficiency to extend battery life. Fast charging technology will undoubtedly be present, possibly even faster than previous generations, allowing for a quick top-up. Wireless charging will also likely be supported. Software. A seamless and intelligent experience. The S25 will ship with the latest version of Samsung's One UI, built on top of the latest Android operating system. One UI is known for its clean and intuitive interface, and we can expect further refinements in terms of design and functionality. AI integration will likely be even more prominent, with AI-powered features enhancing various aspects of the user experience, from personalized recommendations to intelligent battery management. Samsung's Knox security platform will continue to provide robust security and privacy protection. Other features. Enhancing the user experience. The S25 will likely include a range of other features that enhance the user experience. These might include stereo speakers tuned by AKG, an improved in-display fingerprint sensor, and support for Samsung DeX, allowing for a desktop-like experience when connected to an external display. Connectivity options will be comprehensive, including support for the latest 5G networks, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3 or later. Hypothetical specifications, subject to change: display, dynamic AMOLED, QHD+, adaptive refresh rate, 1 to 144 Hz or higher, processor, next-gen Snapdragon/Exynos RAM, 8GB/12GB/16GB storage, 128GB/256GB/512GB/1TB camera, triple rear camera system, upgraded sensors and lenses, battery, improved capacity and fast charging software, One UI, based on latest Android OS, other features, 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3+, stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint sensor, Samsung DeX. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates.